welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hi guys! How are you all on the other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are not going anywhere. Yes, you hear me right, because today I will unbox my anniversary gift from Jax. So this is another anniversary gift from Jax, guys. So guys, hindi ko talaga siya ine-expect etong bagay na ito kasi aside yung nakita namin siya, yun, pumunta kami sa department store few months ago nung tumitingin ako ng ibang brand nito. Apakamahal guys, so very expensive. Hindi ko talaga siya kayang bilhin. So siguro mag-save pa ako ng few months bago ko siya mabili. Pero nung binigay sa akin kasi nito ni Jax, nung anniversary, nagulat ako. Tapos yung brand niya pa, syempre, pag itong brand na to, talagang mahal to guys, kasi hindi ko nga afford yung isang brand na tiningnan ko eh. Kaya nagulat ako nung binigay niya sa akin to, kasi hindi ko talaga expect guys. So guys, I will unbox my latest vlogging camera, the Sony digital camera ZV-1. Ayan guys, you can see the Sony digital camera, a vlogging camera guys. This is vlogging camera for beginners guys. So guys, you will find out what inside of this box. Are you ready now? What are we waiting for? Happy watching! Okay guys, so let's get started. This is the compact camera of Sony digital camera, the ZV-1 guys. It's a design for casual videography with a selfie-friendly vari-angle LCD screen. So, ayan yung LCD screen niya guys. Here, this is the box. So, you can also use and connect via Wi-Fi certified po ito, 4K HDR. And then you can also connect HDMI, Bluetooth, via Bluetooth and Dolby Audio guys. Ayan. So, once you open the box, you can also see the user manuals of digital camera, the startup guide with different languages. Ayan, they have different languages guys. This is English about the manuals for this camera. So, I will set aside this. Ito rin. So, once you open the box, you can see the digital camera, the ZV-1. So, eto siya guys. Ayan, Sony. So, ayan siya. Sony. Jax got me white camera because he said that for my matchy my sunglasses. Ayan. You can also connect the microphone, the multi here guys, and the HDMI. So this is the LCD screen of Sony ZV-1. Here. You can flip here guys. Ayan. And then bring it inside kapag ayaw nyo mga scratches. Here you can also, this is the speaker, this is the on and off button, the mode button, this is for the zoom in, zoom out, and then this is the capture button. So here, this is the function, the menu, the display button, and then you can also press this one. Ayan. This is the play button guys if you want to play the recent video or photos. And this is the trash can or erase button. Trash can. So ayan guys. So here, I will set aside the camera, the Sony one. And then, this one is the windscreen guys. So, windscreen picks up your voice clearly with less wind noise. So, eto, ilalagay siya dito guys. Tatanggalin siya. Tapos, ilalagay siya dito guys. Ilalagay mo siya dyan. Ayan. Kasi ito yung speaker niya. So, kapag nagka-capture ka ng videos or photos outside, tapos yung noise, yung environment mo is very noisy, you need to put this thing, the windscreen. They call it windscreen. Ayan. So, it will stop the noise around you while you're taking photos or videos. So, ayan. This is the windscreen, guys. So I will set aside this, and what's here? So here you can see there's a scan disk or the memory card of the digital camera, guys. So ito, 256 gigabyte. So meron siyang 256. Meron din siya lithium battery. So ito yung battery na Sony ng camera niya. Medyo magaan siya, medyo mabigat. Nasa middle lang siya. Hindi rin siya ganun mabigat, hindi rin siya ganun gaanan. So, ito siya, guys. Ayan. So, ayan. Tapos, ito pa, guys. Yung USB port. Charging port. Para dun sa camera, guys. So, ayan yung laman ng ating Sony digital camera ZV-1, guys. It's a compact camera from Sony, guys. It's very lightweight, compact siya, and easy to use as well. Okay guys, so now I will show you how to put the battery here. Here is the battery, guys. You can put like this, and then once you hear the click, guys, it means it's okay. So now we will put the set aside this first. So I will put the memory card, guys. Here, this is the memory card, and then I will put like this one, guys. This one, guys. So push it, and then once it click again, you can hear the click, guys. It's fine. So here, guys, you can see here. Ayan. This is lock. This is open. Here it's open, guys, right? And then touch it, and then push it in the left side. So push it in the left side. So that's it, guys. And then press the on and off button. Okay, so that's it, guys. So you can see here the function, the menu, the display. You can rotate this one, this circular one, and then this is the play button, the erase button, the shutter button or the OK button, and the mode button. Now, I'm starting to record, guys. Ayan. And then this is the mode button. You can see a lot of mode here. Depends on your mode. Ayan, depends on your mode, guys. Auto, movie, program auto, guys. Ayan. So, dito lang tayo. Okay. So, back here. This is the play button. You can see here this. Yun, di ba, guys? Kung ayaw nyo, i-press mo yung click, guys, and then like click. Okay is the middle button. Ayan, guys. So, ito naman sa camera. Okay, guys. So, that's it, guys. That's how I put the battery, turn on and off the camera, and then the video, the memory card. You put the memory card, return off the camera, turn on the camera. Ayan. I forgot to do something. This one, you need to flip like this. See? Magic. So, ayan yung gagawin kapag ayaw nyo yung screen dito sa harapan. I-flip mo again, guys. Magic. Ayan. Ayan. Nabago ko kasi siya na ayan, diba? Ayan na siya. Magsasara na lang siyang kusa, guys. Once na i-flip mo siya pabaliktad. Ayan. So, ayan yung mga port for the microphone. If you want a microphone, guys, here. Here, this is the port for the microphone. This is the, and then you need to click it again. So, this is the, another, charging. This is the, for charging, guys. Ayan, charging siya. Ayan yung USB charging natin, yung USB port, dito siya nilalagay. And then the HDMI, if you want to connect guys, ayan, HDMI. This is HDMI. Tapos ayan, kung meron kayong strap ng camera, this one also. So ayan ang Sony natin guys. Sony unboxing the digital camera. Ayan, diba? Okay guys, so ayan siya. Ayan guys, so ito yung laman ng box ng Sony. Ayan yung Sony na camera guys. It's a compact camera, the lithium battery here. Ayan guys, lithium battery. The memory card of the camera. Tapos yung charging port. And you can see the windscreen guys, kung nandito kayo sa mga magsushoot kayo, magkuha kayo ng photos sa mga noisy environment, surroundings, and then the user manuals with different languages guys. So, that's it guys. That's my Sony ZV-1, the compact camera from Sony guys. This is very convenient, very lightweight, compact, and easy to use as long you follow the user manuals guys. It's very easy lang talaga siya guys gamitin. Ayan, you can flip the LCD screen guys. Ayan yung lens niya guys. Very smooth siya. I use this for twice na, and very smooth guys. Makikita mo talaga yung pores ko dun sa camera. Very smooth. Talaga yung skin tone mo, yung color mo, ganun na ganun. Very light talaga siya pag nakita mo siya sa camera. At ang ganda-ganda niya gamitin guys. So guys, if you're looking for a quality, so we know that Sony is a good quality, either camera or mobile. Sony is a good quality guys. We all know that you can use it for a lifetime guys. This is a good camera investment guys if you're looking. So disclaimer, this is not a sponsored po. So if you are looking for a vlogging camera for beginner, for a lifetime use, this is the brand for you, the Sony ZV-1. This is highly recommended by me guys. Maganda talaga siya guys. Maganda, I swear. Maganda siyang gamitin talaga for vlogging. It's a compact cameras and you can check their website. I will put their socials and the specs and features of this camera, the Sony ZV-1, in my description box down below, and you can check them out. So this is the anniversary gift of Jax to me. Thank you, Jax. Mwah! So this is for to purchase, to get. So ayun na nga guys. So that's the end of our unboxing for today. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today. Thank you for watching and thanks for supporting my videos. Mega love shoutout to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like my video today and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao la!